Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. We have a 2021 Toyota RAV4. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you what happens if you work on the door or the regulator on this car on the passenger side. The windows will not function properly. They will not go up and down off the master switch over there. They will go up and down off of this switch. Up and down, no problem. But when you do the master switch, it doesn't work. So what you have to do is do a reset. So we're going to go to the other side and we're going to do the reset. It's real simple. It's real easy. You need two people. So you want to get in here and you want to we're going to reset the rear window back there. And when you do that, it actually resets both. So somebody's going to get in the passenger side and somebody's going to be in the front, and they're going to do the same thing at the same time. First, you're going to make sure the windows are up. You lift this one up from this side. You lift that one up from that side. And when you're set, on the count of 3, you press this button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you pull it up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you release, and then the window will work. You see it's working over there. Now you may have to do it more than one time. I did it the first time and it didn't work, but I did it the second time and then it worked. So that resets the right door windows. So by doing the rear one, it reset both, but sometimes you may have to do it with the front one too. It's going to be a trial and error, but it's a simple reset. Joe Beermaster, I hope this video helped. Please subscribe and share this with a friend. Take care.